Hi, welcome to Numina, the only place that's reverse engineered the College Board. We're going to show you how to solve these problems very quickly with mathematical precision and with 100% confidence. That means you no longer have to rely on the answer key, but purely on the power of knowledge. The mind is a powerful tool, and we're going to show you how to use it. Here's how it's done. Here we are with question 12 from section 10. As indicated by our hashtags in our blue box, this question will focus on fragment, parallel, modifier, and subject-verb errors. You will see this question 3 times. The first time around, I'll read the question and solve the problem for you. The second time, we'll solve the problem together, focusing on the grammar in each of the incorrect choices. The third time around, you will have a chance to pause the video and solve this problem on your own. Alright, let's get started. Frequently on tour, a band called the Chieftains, revered internationally as spirited performers of traditional Irish music. I see an error in A. I'm going to go ahead and eliminate A. I see an error in B. B is gone. C looks okay. I'm going to hold on to C for now. I see an error in D. I can eliminate D. And another error in E. E is gone. Our answer is C. Now, if that was a bit fast and you're not completely sure why we eliminated certain choices, don't worry. In the next slide, we'll look at this question a bit closer and talk about the grammar for each of the incorrect answer choices. Okay, let's take a closer look at question 12. Let's read it one more time. Frequently on tour, a band called the Chieftains, revered internationally as spirited performers of traditional Irish music. Immediately, I see an error in A. The word revered is not a verb. It's actually a past participle. And if you remember from any of our other slides and videos, participles cannot function as standalone verbs. So, without a verb, in A, we're left with a fragment. So we can go ahead and eliminate A. Moving on to B, I see the same error in B. However, I notice another error in B. We have a parallel error. If you're not sure why we have a parallel error, well, just look at our note here on the side. Coordinating conjunctions. In this case, our coordinating conjunction is and, as indicated by our green circle. Coordinating conjunctions must join 2 equivalent grammatical constructs. In this sentence, and is joining a subject and a past participle. A band called the Chieftains revered, and an independent clause. They are spirited performers. So we have a parallel error, and we can go ahead and eliminate B. Moving on to C, is revered internationally for its spirited performances. I don't see any egregious errors in C, so I'm going to hold off and keep C for now. Moving on to D, I see a modifier error in D. As giving. You may ask, well, why is this a problem? Well, we have a note for that too. As, in this sentence, in choice D, forces the modifier that follows to serve as an adjective modifying the subject a band. A correct usage of as would look something like this. As one of the most spirited performers. This would be acceptable. But notice how the as connects the subject to a noun adjective. The present participle modifier giving fails to either describe the subject, in this case the band, or modify the verb is revered adequately. So we have improper modification here. So we can go ahead and eliminate D on the basis of having a modifier error. In E, we have a subject-verb error. Notice we have are revered. So look to the top, our notes. Subjects must agree in number with their corresponding verbs. Our subject, a band, is singular. And we have a plural verb in E, are revered. Going back to our note, let's read through it so you understand the concept and what's going on here. When a sentence contains a complex verb, i.e. a helping verb and a main verb, as in are, helping verb form of the verb to be, plus revered, the past participle main verb, the subject of that sentence must agree with the helping verb, with are. And again, we've established that are is plural and our subject is singular. So we have a subject-verb error in E. So E is out. Which leaves us with choice C. Now we know we threw a lot of concepts at you. So make sure you have all the proper notes from this video. And if you're having any trouble, just go back to our website, flip through the archives, and find the concepts that you need, the videos to the concepts that you need more help on, and study up. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's look at this question one more time, and then we'll give you a chance to pause the video and let you solve the problem on your own. Frequently on tour, a band called the Chieftains, revered internationally as spirited performers of traditional Irish music. Okay, now go ahead and pause your video. Alright, how'd you do? Were you able to solve everything? Did you figure everything out? Let's look at this question again together and solve it. In A, we have a fragment, so we can eliminate A. B, we have parallel error. B is gone. C looks okay. We'll keep C for now. We have a modifier error in D. D is gone. And we have a subject-verb error in E. E is gone. Our answer is C. Alright, hopefully you were able to solve this problem quickly and accurately just as we did. Again, if not, if you need more help, just go to the website, look for the concept that you're having trouble with in our archives, and make sure to study up and take a lot of notes. Until next time. Numina, empowering mind.